All right, here we are at the beginning of session 4, and I'm now playing around on my actual device. It's streaming through a program called the Xcode. It works via AirPlay. It's a nice, nifty little program. If you ever have to take some screen capture of the gameplay through your actual device, and any choppiness you see is really just from the AirPlay. It's not existing in the game itself. This is going pretty darn quick. And we've got our enemies chasing us around. They're pretty intelligent about getting to me. If I basically stop for a while, they will catch up. And that leaves us with what? Well, we've got to collect all the stars and then actually advance to another level. So we're going to do that over about I'd say 4 primary videos or so, or at least 4 topics. We've got to look at the game data property list, which will house all of the information about loading the next levels, and we can put in there some settings for speeding up things as you progress through. And then we're also going to add a parallax background to all this, and then we're going to create a text label that's going to show our lives left, and that's going to be a custom font, so you can use some cool pixely fonts. And then the last little topic I've jotted down here is just anything related to loading up that next level via either TMX or our .sks file. So let's get started with it.